Along with the rest of the country, the 77th Independence Day was celebrated in Shillong with pomp and gaiety. The official function was held at Polo Grounds, where Chief Minister Conrad Sangma hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute of the 18 parade contingents comprising of the BSF, CRPF, MLP, Tripura State Rifles and several schools. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma highlighted the various development work undertaken by his government, while adding several steps are on to take Meghalaya to the path of development. The Chief Minister also handed over the Arts and Craft Villages Award, besides presenting State Literary Awards to late Reverend Dr. Yarlington Kharkongor and late B.S. Bangshal. On the occasion, prizes were distributed to the winners of the March Past who took part in the Independence Day celebration.
Battalion is the Tripura State Rifles, being led by Subedar Pranjit Devarma.
These initiatives cover and include procurement of agricultural vehicles, including mini trucks and reefer vans, tourism vehicles, including caravans and luxury cars, electric cars and minibuses, construction of warehouses, community common facility centers, green tourism villas, building of polyhouses for horticulture, and even setting up of piggery, poultry, goatery and dairy units. Under the CM Elevate program, subsidy will also be provided for projects like construction of cinema halls, health clubs, music studios, sports and youth engagement related businesses.